thanks to the Hunterdon County freeholders, Hunterdon County Park System, the Hunterdon County directors and helpers on the 4-H board, the 4-H and Ag board. All right.
Man, there's some bumps out there, huh?
All right, here we go. 11,000-pound stock class coming up. 20 tractors in this class.
20 tractors. This is great because I get to watch now.
Yeah.
Terin's first pull. Get it square. She's off a little bit. It's called technique to get the sled to slide a little bit. All right, Terin. That's tight.
Okay, here we come. Tom Weinberg, Teddy Weinberg, Terin Weinberg, first time out.
Ah, look at her go! Hit that TA, man!
All right, Terin, she's a new dandy. Hey,
Differential lock.
all right.
All right, Terin.
She keeps it going. He's going for the distance. Let's go. Come on, Terin. All right.
Nice!
Well, I'll give you the distance here in a minute, see if she takes it. If she's like her dad, she will.
She's taking it!
Is Terin taking it?
Yep! Yeah! She's taking it!
Yeah, Teddy said she's taking it. All right, she's out there. First puller, 260 and 11.
260? 11. 260, 11. All right, thanks, Jeff.